Serious question. What are you most afraid of?
Being ordinary.
So don't be ordinary.
Are you looking at Violet Market?
Yep. Her sister died.
You know, people call you the freak, right? People don't like messy.
We're different. I just get a little lost sometimes.
Even in dark times, there are bright places.